guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to ban someone on TikTok. So the reason why you actually ban somebody because you don't like the way of content and you don't find it funny or you don't find any interest in the content, so you want to actually ban them. So all you need to do is open up your TikTok app just like this, and you're going to be on the home page like this, and all you need to do is maybe search for the person's name, but I'm going to be using for my profile one of my followers probably. So let's say about this person right here. So what you need to do is click on the profile, right? And right there you're going to see this drop down. Okay, not there. Click on the share right there. That arrow you can see up there, you click on that and you're going to see at the bottom report, block, send message, remove this follower and RQ code. So you're going to click on reports. So that's actually how to ban someone. So once you click on the report icon, you can see report account or report content. So I'll be reporting this account. So you can see you have to make up something for the reason why you want to. So click on something else. Okay, sharing personal information. I'll just go with that, and you click on submit, and you just reported this person's account. So this is actually how to ban someone on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.